Hey, Billy goes, let's do something other than this. After you guys get back from Russia with Coach Dustin, come join me for an active rest day. There are 2 parts to this workout. First part, find any activity out there that gets that heart rate up, that blood pumping, and your muscles moving. That might include a nice long walk around the neighborhood, hopefully with a dog or 2. Visit that local park. Ride your bike around the block a couple times. Use your backyard to play catch, or fetch, or in this case, tag. Swimming is another great activity that gets those muscles moving. Just make sure it's warm enough. Part 2 to this workout, challenge your mind. Use your brain of yours. Do things that you don't usually do. Help out around the house. Try cooking. But of course, with the help of your parents. Draw. Paint. Make something. Try a puzzle, Sudoku, or even a jigsaw. Teach yourself something new. Learn a new instrument to play. Teach yourself a new language to learn. Have fun.